Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to work on the Samsung refrigerator showing the E23 error code. This error code is a condenser fan motor error code, meaning the fan is not sending the correct feedback signal to the main control board. If you do not have the signal, hold the power cool and the power freeze button down at the same time, and it should display the code if you do not already have the code shown on your refrigerator. And another symptom is you'll see the left hand side, as you see here, just blink. So if you just see this out of the blue, hold the power freeze and the power cool down for 5 to 10 seconds and you should get the display error code. Okay, so remove the back panel. And this is the condenser fan motor. So if you have the unit plugged in and the fan is not turning, or if you see it turn just a little bit here and there, that goes exactly with the code, the condenser fan error code. So these have 3 wires, 2 for power input and 1 for feedback signal. If this unit does not get a feedback signal, it will turn the whole machine off. As you can see here, this fan motor is pretty hard to turn. This is my connector. So unplug the unit. Okay, so you're going to remove the condenser fan using a Phillips bit or a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so here's the condenser fan motor. I will leave this in the description below with the part number and a link if you're interested. Okay, so this is the new fan. It has screws at the bottom where you basically have to slide it and click it into place. So to remove the old one, you have to pull forward and turn it to the side, as I'll show you in a moment. And basically to slide the new one in, you have to slide it in the back, down and backwards. So as you can see here, the fan is fairly easy to move and the old one is fairly hard to turn, as you can see there. So yes, if your fan is like this, definitely replace it. That's your problem. So we're going to press forward. Disconnect the harness. And then you'll turn the fan housing towards your left and back. Just be careful not to bend that discharge line. So then you'll just turn it sideways just enough, take your time, and just wiggle it out. There we go. So yeah, this one's pretty messed up. So to slide this one in, as you can see the grooves there. We're going to kind of put it in the same way we took the other one out, kind of sideways, just to line it up and pull forward a little bit to get in the grooves. And once we're in the grooves, we're going to press it back to clip it in. So I'm going to slide it in, line it up, pull forward. Get above the latches, press down. As I press down, I'm going to push back. There we go. Reinstall your 2 Phillips head screws. Make sure to reconnect your harness and plug it in. And there we go. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos, and have a good day.